Hey, welcome to the Am I AI Blender 3.0 and 2.93 LTS Docwalks. So how this is going to go, most of this stuff is going to be the same for both versions. However, in such a situation where some of the, something doesn't jive with both versions, I will make them make separate videos and put one in the 3.0 playlist and the other in the 2.93 playlist. Just so you know, right up front, so you're not confused if you see this in the 293 playlist. All right, so how this works is I will literally be walking through the documents. This is the first of this series type, so this is kind of the experimental trial here. But hopefully if this works out, we'll be doing Docwalks for all sorts of great technologies, for the API, for Python, for PHP, just whatever. I think we kind of need Docwalks out there. I don't feel like anybody really does that. People just kind of go off on their own little weird tangent and do their own thing. I think when you stick to the documentation, you have better communication, and you get everything through to the audience, and so nobody's missing anything. Plus, you get to you have documentation you can refer back to. So that's another plus. It's like having a textbook in class. Okay, so that's basically the introduction. As you can see here, this is the very first front page. This is your reference manual, and we're going to go ahead and click through the table of contents here. Contents. Sorry, here. Now we're into About Blender. Click one more time, and this is the introduction. I will go ahead and see you in the next video for the introduction. Thanks. Bye.